I keep seeing influencers say, ChatGPT is dead, switch to Claude. And honestly, that's short-sighted. A few months ago, everyone was raving about NotebookLM. Then Manus AI took the spotlight. Then everyone jumped to Claude. Now, with the latest GPT models, people are swinging right back. The spotlight keeps moving, and it always will. That's not a bug in the AI landscape right now. That's the feature. These tools are advancing at a pace we've never seen before. Meaningful updates aren't dropping quarterly or even monthly. Sometimes they're showing up week to week. So the question isn't which tool won this week. The question is, how do you build a workflow that stays effective no matter what's shifting underneath it? Here's the answer. Discernment. Not loyalty to a single tool. Not chasing every new release. Discernment. Knowing what you're trying to accomplish and understanding which tool is best positioned to help you do it right now. That might mean you use one tool for deep document analysis, another for long-form writing, another for fast-sighted research, and something else entirely when you need to build and deploy. The mix will evolve, that's fine. What stays constant is your clarity about the work. If you're ever unsure which tool to reach for, ask AI to help you decide. But don't ask just one. Take the same question to ChatGPT, to Claude, to Gemini, to Perplexity. Somewhere in those responses, you'll find solid ground. Let the tools help you choose the tools. If that sounds like circular logic, it is. Welcome to the age of AI.